Alright guys, we got the SL 500 and we ran into a little bit of issue the other day. The old lady was driving it home. She was on the freeway and all of a sudden you push the gas pedal, look, nothing. Car is running, but you don't see any acceleration. There you go, feet pick for the boys, there you go. So unfortunately, I was not driving. The old lady was driving and she was driving on the freeway too. So she lost all power and can only really roll forward in gear. So not a good recipe. Either way, I'm making this short video here just to point out. Immediately my first reaction was had to do something with the throttle cable. And that's true. So if you look back here, here's the bracket that the throttle cable sits in. And here's the throttle cable that came undone. As you see, this black square here that sits in the bracket starts deteriorating. So after some quick searches on the forums and figuring out what really to do I gotta replace the whole cable? Oh, look, there you go, just broke some more of it. I found out Mercedes actually has a replacement part. And here is the part number. So these guides is plastic, and of course with the car being 30 to 35 years old, plastic wears out and cracks over time. So you just gotta replace these guides, and they're really about 10 bucks. Here's the part number. They don't make them anymore, so you gotta find them. I ordered this one off eBay. Pelican Parts is sold out, but you're gonna wanna use this part number to figure out where you can get them from. They're out there still. But either way, literally all you have to do is remove the old one, install the new one, and put it back in that square. Okay. Got a pair of snippers or dikes to go ahead and cut out the remaining bit. There you go. Now the new one comes with a little slit here so that you can get the wire through. All right, it's all back together. So you push the throttle, it moves. What I did is I put the plastic, the throttle, I put the little plastic piece on the cord, pushed it in, and then let the round part that you see down here snip in afterwards. Super easy, not a problem at all. And here's the old one to show you what happens to plastic after 30 years. All right, car's running. Pushing the pedal. Yep, we got a throttle response. All right, so I know this part number for the throttle cable guide correlates with a lot of Mercedes from this era. So it's going to be the same idea, is that you're going to replace that 30-year-old plastic before you get left on the freeway like my old lady here. So, if you got any questions or comments, leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe.